Masta. Then there is an ego of old age. Dr. Sharkar laughs. An old man has many shackles: caste, pride, shame, hatred, and fear. Furthermore, he is bound by the ideas of worldly cleverness, calculating intelligence, and deceit. If he is angry with anybody, he cannot shake it off easily. Perhaps he keeps the feeling as long as he lives. Again, there is the ego of scholarship and the ego of wealth. The ego of old age is an unripe ego. To the doctor, there are a few men who cannot attain knowledge of God. Men proud of their scholarship, proud of their education, or proud of their wealth. If you speak to such people about a holy man and ask them to visit him, they will make all kinds of excuses and will not go. But in their heart of hearts, they think, why? We are big people ourselves. Must we go and visit someone else? A characteristic of tamas is pride. Pride and delusion come from tamas. It is said in the Puran that Ravan had an excess of rajas, Kumbhakarna of tamas, and Bibhishan of sattva. That is why Bibhishan was able to receive the grace of Ram. Another characteristic of tamas is anger. Through anger, one loses one's wits and cannot distinguish between right and wrong. In a fit of anger, Hanuman set fire to Lanka. Without thinking for a moment that the fire might also burn down the hut where Sita lived. Still another feature of tamas is lust. Girindra Ghosh of Pathuria Ghata once remarked, since you cannot get rid of your passions, your lust, your anger, and so on, give them a new direction. Instead of desiring worldly pleasures, desire God. Have intercourse with Brahman. If you cannot get rid of anger, then change its direction. Assume the tamasic attitude of bhakti and say, what? I have repeated the hallowed name of Durga, and I shall not be liberated? How can I be a sinner anymore? How can I be bound anymore? If you cannot get rid of temptation, direct it toward God. Be infatuated with God's beauty. If you cannot get rid of pride, then be proud to say that you are the servant of God. You are the child of God. Thus, turn the 6 passions toward God. Doctor: it is very hard to control the sense organs. They are like restive horses, whose eyes must be covered with blinkers. In the case of some horses, it is necessary to prevent them from seeing at all. Master: a man need not fear anything, if but once he receives the grace of God. If but once he obtains the vision of God. If but once he attains self-knowledge. Then the 6 passions cannot do him any harm. Eternally perfect souls like Narada and Prahlad did not have to take the trouble to put blinkers on their eyes. The child who holds his father's hand while walking along the narrow walk in the paddy field may loosen his hold in a moment of carelessness and slip into the ditch. But it is quite different if the father holds the child's hand. Then the child never falls into the ditch.